Happy hump day. Look at these humping black snakes. Donna, this is for you because they're snakes. Cheryl Ross, this is for you because they're humping like those humping turtles. So that's what it looks like when snakes mate. These are black snakes. They're not going to hurt you, but I wouldn't mess with them, especially when they're in the act of some hot romance, it looks like. Um, oh yeah, they're moving around. They're moving around. I got it zoomed in, so they're not very close to me, but that's those snakes for you. Mating. You can see them sticking their tongue out. I don't think they're going to give each other oral. I think they're going to do the usual. Oh boy, I think they're about to move. I might want to back away a bit. But I probably shouldn't bother them when they're in the act of some fabulous romance, but that's definitely what they're doing. I thought they might be dead at first, but they're not. They're mating. Never seen snakes mate before. That's pretty awesome. Snake porn. Wow. Amazing. Look at that. Look at that. The way they move together. That's really something. They probably don't like being filmed when they're doing the deed, but that's definitely what they're doing. Making babies. Wow. That is cool. I see snakes all the time. Last week I saw a black snake and a copperhead, but not together, on the rabbit trail. I'm at my family farm in Marietta, South Carolina today, seeing these two black snakes getting it on, celebrating hump day even though it's Sunday. Looks like they might be done mating. It's hard to say. Pump and dump? No, I'm joking, but it is hard to say, but they're hope I'm not bothering them. I probably am. I'm keeping my distance, but I'm watching them, and they look like they're enjoying themselves. This is something. Wow. This is something. I've never seen snakes humping before. That's definitely a new one. That is definitely a new one. So if you see a bunch of baby black snakes around here in a few months, you'll know why. Pretty cool stuff. Really cool stuff. Oh, that was a sudden move. They might be done mating. It's hard to say, but you see all the flies on them and you think they're dead, but that's probably just because they've been staying still while mating this whole time. Wow, this is something to see. With their bodies all coiled up together. Oof. Joined at the back end. Wow. That's a treat to see mating snakes. So if you ever wondered how it looks when snakes do the deed, you're getting to see it. Snake porn. Wow. How cool is that? Whew. Pretty awesome. Amazing. So glad I got to see that. I've been seeing a lot of snakes. My godfather Carlos says that means that a big change is coming in my life. I'm not sure what that change is going to be, but lots and lots of snakes. That's pretty cool. I'll stop filming pretty soon. I just find this fascinating. I'm going to leave them to it. Let them mate. Woohoo! Goodbye, black snakes.